while it's doing that, let's go to Google Cloud Storage browser, and we're going to create a bucket. Okay, my Google YouTube bucket. Okay. It can't contain Google. For demo. Okay, and we're just going to take defaults here. And we could add a label. Make me feel bad. How do I feel? Adventurous. Okay, it's just a name tag, and you can give it, you don't have to give it. And we created a bucket. All right, now here you can create a folder. Okay, and the folder names can have spaces in them. All right, so now I'm going to upload a file here, AWS logo, and it should show up here at the same time. I'm going to go inside this folder, again upload a file, not this time, this file, and then I'm going to delete them. All right, it's the same thing here. Just play around, guys. So buckets, you cannot rake up big bills unless you are storing large amounts of data. So you can create an empty file, or like in a file of 1 or 2 kilobytes, and you can upload hundreds of them. Like just to have a little bit of fun. Okay. Delete again. And of course, like once you're done, you get rid of that resource.